Hi guys, welcome to Moneyline Tips. In today's video, we have a total of 115 odds for you. Combining this game, that is a total of 7 matches. I believe this game will work out for everyone today. Okay, let's dive in. Our first game today is in Italy Serie A, where AS Roma is taking on Special Calcio, and our prediction is full-time win for AS Roma. Then as number 2 game on our list is still in Italy Serie A, where AC Milan is taking on Eras Verona, and our prediction is home team win. That is AC Milan win full time. Okay, our number 3 game on our list is in Spain La Liga, where Espanyol is taking on UD Almeria, and our prediction is Espanyol win full time. Okay, in this channel we drop tutorial video on how to predict football matches. If you have not watched a video uh, on how to predict football matches in different markets, kindly go to the comment section. I will drop the links to all the video and you can check them out. It will be of help to you so that when next you want to predict football match, you do it yourself. In this channel, we give you fish and we also teach you how to catch fish. So go and watch this video. It's very important. If you are new to this channel, subscribe, ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when we drop new content. It's very important for you to like this video. Everyone watching this video should like this video, because when you like it, YouTube will spread it across to so many people. I want many people to benefit in this tip. So share this video, like it so that it will go viral. Thank you. Okay, moving on. Uh Fourth game on our list is in Spain La Liga, where Celta Vigo is taking on Barcelona, and our prediction is halftime draw for that game. And then our number 5 game on our list is in Spain La Liga also, where Real Madrid is taking on Atletico Bilbao, and our prediction is Real Madrid win full time. Then we move on to our last game on our list, which is in Spain La Liga, where Osasuna is taking on Girona, and our prediction is full-time win for Osasuna. So that my chicken is telling you good morning. So good morning to every one of you. Okay, guys. That is all for today. So stay tuned for tomorrow game. Come back here. We'll post tomorrow prediction. Thank you and bet responsibly.